Hey girl, what's going on? Thank you so much for coming to see me again. Welcome back to my channel, girl. Naturally meet Dion here in your place, okay? Just all up in your, what are you doing hanging around? Anyway, look here. So if you got, girl, I'm so excited because I gave y'all a little something. Girl, who could get away with all these moles on her face? If you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, keep watching. I'm bringing it to you, girl. I'm bringing it to you. Even though I'm trying to put it together, y'all just come on with me. If you want to see how I got this look, I think this is a cool look for not every day, but when you're trying to improve a point. Yeah, when you're trying to let that know who in charge. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. And be sure to give me a big thumbs up, girl. You giving me a thumbs up helps me a lot with my channel. So, I can't wait to see y'all again. So, be sure that you guys come back and see me. Hit that like button right now. Lately, I've been forgetting my eyeshadow powder, and it really messed up the game, okay? Now, it is kind of cool. You know, it's like a little winter cool here. Y'all, I'm just grabbing stuff out my kit. Got stuff going everywhere. So, today, I'm going to play a little bit in some palettes, a few palettes. This palette here is the Gingerbread Spice, and it came out this year. Or was it last year? No, it was this year. So this here is the Gingerbread Spice palette. Okay? So I'm excited about this palette. About this look. So what I'm going to do now, I'm grabbing my eye primer. And this is by Anastasia. It is bomb diggity dumb. I hope you can see what's going on with this, okay? But if not, we'll work it out. So I'm gonna just put this on a little bit on my eye. Then I'm gonna get a brush like this one, and I'm gonna just kind of blend this in like so. I hope you guys are taking care, which I already know you guys are taking care pretty good until this stuff just roll over, because they just shutting everything down and it's crazy, okay? I cannot explain it. I don't understand it. So right here in my gingerbread palette, I'm going into the Midnight Snack. Feel like eating something. This is the Midnight, oh my God, okay. So I'm going into Midnight Snack, which is this pretty brown color. So, I'm gonna find a perfect brush to go into the Midnight Snack. So, I'm gonna put this like in my crease area. So I am gonna use the Morphe Jeffree Star. This is the JS12 brush, okay? And this brush looks like this. Now, I'm not going to be talking about the brushes like that on this video, but if you guys want me to break down what I do, what brushes I use, comment below and I will do it. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this in here. I think I'm gonna go into Gingerbread Glam, which is this pretty orange color here. I'm gonna go into that. Don't ask me why I'm going. I'm gonna just go in with another brush to kind of shape it up, make sure it is perfect.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This here, girl, is the new Jaclyn Hill palette. Volume 2. Girl, you know I fell in love with this palette the other night, girl. I fell in love with this palette the other night, and like the colors in this palette is like breathtaking. I know y'all see that. Like, what are you talking about, girl? What are you talking about? This thing here is bomb.com. Okay, I can tell you a few looks, like a few things I'm finna do, like make this crazy. I'm finna this up. Watch me. Watch me. Right here, girl. Oh, looks so good. Got some fallout though. Girl, you got some fallout. Girl, you got some fallout in this palette. But look, I got another idea. At the same time, gotta put it around like that. Cause I'm thinking, I gotta, let me grab another brush. Let me grab another brush. Here's my other brush. Now, I'm gonna dip it in crazy. Okay, crazy. Y'all know I'm a fool for these grays, girl. Y'all know I'm a fool for these burgundies, girl. Look at this. Lock that sucker right. I'm gonna land her. Girl, you need to have some 3D mirrors going on up in this studio. Okay, the readers. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pop that sucker in there. Ooh, just pop her in there.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So, ooh, look, watch this number right here. Whoa. Like, you can get it done quick, girl. You can get it done quick. So I just been doing my makeup kind of backwards lately. Trying to learn different ways, different techniques, you know, to do it. So I've been doing it kind of backwards lately. So you can do this like this if you like, but